So this is the thing we have already shown you how to go for the submit. Then I am going for how we create a object. Okay, how to create an object and how we use all the things. So I go for the coding part here. You can clearly see it here in the JavaScript. I am creating the concept of object here. It's clear. Now how do we create all the things here? The inside the body I am creating a paragraph, creating a JavaScript object. This is very important for you who are were trying to learn the JavaScript especially and use this JavaScript also. They must know the concept of how to create an object inside the JavaScript. I already discussed that JavaScript is not Java, and it is not like the object oriented languages. The concept of class and object, it is not like that, but still we are giving the same availability of object here for this JavaScript. Okay, here just to create a paragraph and provide a id is equal to demo here. And for writing the scripting language, I use the tag script. I started with the script. I create a object here. I create a variable just like person. Here I am providing the attribute like the first name something, last name something, age, and eye color. All the things I created. Okay. So you try to understand. This is I am not creating the concept of class as we are using the Java, and there is no question of creating an object as you have created in Java. I told you that JavaScript has nothing to do with Java, only name is JavaScript. It is just like a scripting language for inserting some programming concept inside the HTML only. Okay. So now how do we get all the things? Now document.get element by ID. So I created this ID is equal to demo here using this dot inner HTML and what I created here, I created the variable person just like the object I am creating. I created this person here. So I am using is equal to person dot first name something plus I am putting a space here also. I minimize this thing. Sorry. Yeah, and yeah. So person dot first name, I'm just keeping a blank space here. Then person dot last name. That means I want to write the full name. And using this concept of object, how can I get all things? You try to understand. I have given the first name of that person is John, and the last name is Doe, something. Okay, or first name I can write it instead of John and Doe. I am putting something. My first name is something like Gunamani, and my last name or the surname I'm writing Jena. Okay, so I write Jena. Okay, now when I run this program, this eye color it is not blue. So you write whatever things color it is just example. Just I write black, BLACK. Okay, so now let us save this with the control S. I saved it. So this is the program number. If you see, it is 28 JavaScript object. Okay, come here and come to this one also. Go to the program number 28 and try to run this program. Okay, what do you see? So see, using that concept of object, I created a JavaScript object and I call this name Gunamani Jana. Clear? I will be explaining this program one more time again. Don't worry for this thing now. Now come to the programming part here again. You try to understand our aim here inside the HTML. See, you are not using any language Java. Remember, this is not a Java language at all, and it has nothing to do with the object oriented. It has nothing to do with creating a class or nothing. It's clear? So inside the HTML, we are creating a concept of object using this scripting language. Okay, the scripting language is the JavaScript. Okay, so that's why the title, just like I put it, the paragraph P, creating a JavaScript object. That is my aim, that I want to create an object and I want to use this object here also. Okay, so now for this paragraph I created a ID, that is demo, because the same ID I will be using it here. Okay, now for creating this object, what I did, so I have to write it inside the scripting language. Okay, the scripting language, I told you that you can write two places. Either you can write it inside the head or you can write it inside the body also. Here the scripting I have written inside the body, remember. So two things I told you, that you can write inside the head. Okay, inside the HTML, just I write it here, enter head, HEAD. Okay, tab, you put it here, and here you can use title something. Yeah, sorry, title T I tab it also. So this is my creating object, CREATING, creating object. creating object in say JavaScript, right? So these are just like this is not time, this is title, I think. This is TITLE title, and here also I put a TLE. Okay. So now these are the things. See, you till now whatever the JavaScript or the scripting language I've shown you, these all the things I'm writing inside the head. That means after the title, in between this closing head tag, you can write your scripting language there also. It is also possible to write the script inside the body also. So here what I'm doing, the scripting language I'm writing inside the body tag. You see, the body tag started here, body. Okay, inside the body I'm showing creating a JavaScript object. So I created an ID for this name is equal to demo, and I am using the subject concept here inside the script. I just create a variable person. It is also a object here, and this first the what is the once you create this variable person, which is equal to under the curly bracket, and at the end you have to put a semicolon. So this is the minimum template, the minimum syntax for that one. Then inside the curly bracket, whatever you write, all must be separate. Document ID. So what is the ID I created for that one? That is the demo. So I'm writing this demo for this demo dot inner HTML, and what is the variable I created person, that person dot first name. That means I have to call what is the person first name, the person first name, person dot first name, it will come Gunamani. Then if you don't write anything, they can write person dot last name, then Gunamani Jana, it will come a continuous word. It will not, so for that what I did plus I put it there and put a blank space here. Okay, under this quotation just a blank space here. That means these two words will be separated by blank space. So then plus person dot last name. Then I started with the scripting language, that then I called I stopped the scripting language, close it one. So I started it inside the body tag. I am closing the body tag also. So I everything I put it in the HTML. So I close the HTML tag one. So Control S, I save it here. Then you come to the program number. What is the program number? The program number here, it is program 20. So okay. So now you can see clearly creating a JavaScript object and the name it has come Gunaman. So this is the concept. You try to remember, even if a student does not know anything about Java, he does not know the concept of class and object, still you can use this concept of object inside the HTML using this JavaScript. That is my idea. That is the purpose of showing this video to you. Okay. So next, let us move to the next program. In our next program, we are going for program number 29. Okay. So let us see what is this program number 29. In the program number 29, I am creating a JavaScript object, and I'm something I'm using. So let us see this program first. Okay. So now come to this program. Yeah. So this I close it here later. Okay. So now please come here. Program number 29. See the coding part. Go to the open with Sublime Text. Yeah. Now I see. Similar fashion, I have created a HTML file. The program 29 name I have given, you give any name you write. So there I started just purely HTML program. So exclamatory doc type HTML tag I started. Then you can write your own thing, whatever the head, what is the title. It has nothing to do with that one. Here remember the scripting language I am using inside the body. Same thing, creating a JavaScript object. So ID also I have given them. So something I have given it here. Here what I am giving, I want to use the same what the object I created person here, just like the object like things I created. So document dot get element by ID from this demo dot inner HTML, which is equal to person dot first name plus under double quotation is. That means person dot first name, it will come John. Then plus under this double quotation we are putting is. Okay. So John is person age. What is the person age? So it is coming 50. 50 years old. So you see, it is you are giving the illusion that you are using object here. It is not exactly an object here. It is just like you are giving the illusion and you are giving the functionality what a object or what an object does in your Java. The similar type of job is also done by simply creating a small variable person and providing all this in the syntax and calling it here in this manner. So only important thing you have to remember here that document dot get element by id. So remember, E is capital here, B is capital here, and I is capital here. You should not forget this one. Document, no need to worry if you are using this, this type of languages like Sublime or VS Code. All the things automatically, just you type it, automatically it will come. Nothing to worry about all the things. You don't need to get it by heart. If you understand, you remember. Otherwise, automatically while you are typing, it will come. So only what is the name ID you have given, the demo you have to remember, and the same thing you have to write it here. What you write it here, same thing must be here. For this dot inner HTML, which is equal to, so this is the syntax to call the variable for this ID here. Okay, so I am using this technique like person dot first name, that means my name is Gunamanise, is the person dot age, suppose my age is 50 or 60, so 60 years old. Okay, full stop is also, because this will be written as it is. You have nothing to do. This under the double quotation where what you are putting, you can see a different color, yellow color also it is coming. Okay, this thing will be there as it is. Only person dot first name will be called from this one, and person dot age will be called from this one. Or if you write person dot first name plus under double quotation space, then person dot last name, like that, plus under double quotation it is. So all the things also you can do. So that means whatever you want to customize the output, the same thing you can modify your program and you can write. So this is the idea I wanted to give you. So we have successfully completed this, how to create this subject. Now let us go to the program number 30. This program number 30, any change to a copy of an object will also change the original. That how we'll see it here. Okay. So now you go to the program number 30 coding part. Now we'll try to understand what is the meaning of this one. Program number 30, just I right click and open it with the Sublime text here. Now open. You try to understand the same thing I am using. I am inserting the script concept inside the body. I told you that there are two possibilities. You can put it inside the head, or you can put it inside the script, and there is no reserved location for that one. You can use it at the last also, not necessarily at the beginning. Remember, you can use it at the end also, still it will run and show you the output, the noise. Okay. Now, so whatever I am writing inside the paragraph, it is only to be displayed there, nothing to worry. Only the ID what I created here, it makes meaning. So I am writing PID is equal to demo. So I will be using this ID demo. Okay. Then I use the script language where person I created. So I have given first name colon John. This is another way. Last name is equal to age is equal to 50. I color something like I using. So then I am creating another variable x. So where x is equal to person. That means instead of calling this person all the times, I am creating a variable x and assigning this value of all this person here to this x. That means x dot age means it will be the person dot age. Remember, what is the person dot age? Person dot is equal to 50. Okay. So here what I am doing, I am just overwriting. Initially I have given the x dot age or person dot age is equal to 50. Now I am assigning x dot age is equal to 10. Okay. So document dot get element by demo. Now 10 person dot first name. So now you understand. Initially the age was 50. I have overwritten the age is equal to 10. Now what is the output of this program? You can see the output of the program is John is 10 years old. But initially the data, if you remember, I have given John is 50 years old. It is supposed to come 50 years old. Okay. So why it has coming it here? So because using this concept of object, I have just overwritten what are the age is there 50. Now it is replaced by 10. Okay. So this is the thing I have given this concept of these things here. So in a similar fashion, you can also use the concept of object inside this HTML program. It's clear? Now, I think we have covered most of the things in this thing. especially in the HTML. If still you want some other things, we can discuss. But I will be giving you something that how to insert audio, how to insert video, how to insert no some other things like the scrolling. We are doing it there. Then I will be what about other things? Because in some typical website you might be seeing some messages. It is scrolling top to bottom, bottom to top, right to left, left right. All things are there. Or you can insert some audio clip, or you can insert some videos, or you can inside that one. That is my concern that I want to show you, not in these classes, because I have to write those programs. Then only we are able to explain all the things. Okay, because this type of things now web technology. So if you I tell a number of theories, it will be difficult for you to understand. So with some example, if I explain you, it will be more convenient for you to understand. Okay, that is my idea. Okay, so this is all about my class was actually 4 to 5, what I remember. Because that time I was downloading, there are some problem. K. Srinivas Garu, he could not take these classes, so there was no alternative than to continue this class. That is the reason. Just I am taking these classes. Otherwise, it is not a regular class for me. Okay. So any other things from the student side? Yeah, yeah. So from the student side, anybody want to discuss anything or any queries or any things we can discuss? Yeah, any of the students have any query they want to discuss, they can please discuss, or they can ask a query also to me. I'll be available for the next 5 minutes for answering any questions. Uh, Otherwise, shall I ask one or two questions to you if you are getting it properly? Yeah, Bharat has a query, I think. Screen it not visible. Is it visible now, Bharat, now? Is the screen visible? Some of you please respond. There is some problem with the system without meeting. Maybe what the students are replying, I am unable to listen. And yeah, can you listen me? Any of you please respond?
Sure.
Okay, thank you. Yeah. So there is some problem from because
Sir,
what I'm communicating, maybe you will be listening, but I am not getting any response. Maybe some problem with my system. I do not understand. So it's okay. Nice. So can we discuss anything, any query or anything up to now? My next class, so I'll be discussing purely how to insert the video clips, how to insert audio, and how to insert other things inside this HTML. Okay, that part, and also this what I told you that the scrolling part. Those are the things we are going to include in our next video. I think that will be the end of this part one HTML. And if you want some more things on this cascading style sheet, maybe one or two classes will be taking on cascading style sheet. Okay, or if you want the very details about this JavaScripting languages, then we can start from the basics. Okay, because what I given you, I have given you exactly what we need for this validation. And one more class will be taking how to go for the validation of the things. I think we have some time. How much time we are having? Do we have no? The time is insufficient. We need more than 15 to 20 minutes for validating a, I think a form. Okay, so that is the thing. Maybe in the next class I'll be going for that one. If you have any query, I will be happy to answer you. Otherwise, we'll close the session now. Yeah. Tanmay is there today? Hello? Tanmay is there?
Sure.
Yeah. So, is it okay till now? Whatever I have discussed till now regarding this thing?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yeah. So now, what we learned till now, I will be giving. So, who want to learn because the very low level things I am not discussing. Why? Because the second year onwards you have been learning this HTML. So I don't think but if you are interested, some of you want to learn, then I don't have any problem. I will be going to very low level details of the things like the JavaScript as well as other things. Because what exactly required for these final year students to go for immediately designing the website, those part only I have discussed in the videos. Okay, so if you want especially JavaScript or something, you just send a SMS. Yes, sir, we want details about the JavaScript, or we want some details about that one, because these are the initial days. We can extend it another 3 or 4 classes for explaining in details. Otherwise, you will move to the validating the login page and creating a registration page, and some inserting some 1 or 2 classes I'll be going. What I told you that how to insert a video clip, how to insert some audio, how to insert something scrolling, marking, all the things will be taking. Okay, so maybe maximum 3 or 4 classes will be taking to wind up this unit 1. Okay, so if you have any doubt or anything, you can write also. You can some message also you can send it. Then it will be clear, because I'm unable to hear you. Only when I'm keeping it on mute and double clicking, then only some sound is coming from that side. Otherwise, I'm unable to hear it. Okay.